Listen closely because what you're about to hear is not another dose of shallow motivation, but an ancient mindset that quietly holds the power to calm your overthinking, detach you from unnecessary stress, and bring clarity to a chaotic modern life. Stoicism. Today, we live in a world where we take everything personally: delayed replies, low engagement on social media, canceled plans, unexpected setbacks, or life not going according to our timeline. We assume something is wrong with us, when in reality, what's hurting us isn't the event itself, but our interpretation of it. Stoicism teaches a simple but life-changing truth. You only control your thoughts, your actions, and your reactions. Everything else exists outside your command, and suffering begins the moment you try to control the uncontrollable. When you learn to anchor yourself in the present moment, the past loses its grip and the future stops haunting you, because life is only ever happening now. Regret and anxiety are thieves of peace, stealing attention from the only moment that truly matters. Change, whether we like it or not, is the law of nature. Relationships evolve, roles shift, plans collapse, and identities transform, and resisting change only multiplies pain, while accepting it creates freedom. In a world addicted to validation, likes, praise, and approval, Stoicism reminds us that your worth is not determined by numbers on a screen or opinions from strangers, but by your character, your values, and the integrity with which you live your life. Loss is inevitable, of people, comfort, status, or certainty, but every loss is also a transition, a reminder that nothing in life is permanent, and that impermanence is what gives moments their meaning. Challenges are not punishments. They are training grounds, shaping resilience, discipline, and inner strength in ways comfort never could. True wealth isn't found in possessions, titles, or endless desires, because the person who constantly wants more is never rich, no matter how much they own. Contentment, gratitude, and inner calm are the real currencies of a fulfilled life. Stoicism also teaches acceptance, not passive surrender, but the wisdom to distinguish between what deserves effort and what demands acceptance, understanding that life's most powerful lessons often emerge from unexpected outcomes. Service to others adds depth to our existence, reminding us that meaning grows when we contribute beyond ourselves. And finally, reflection is the quiet habit that transforms everything. Pausing to examine your thoughts, question your reactions, and realign your direction. Because the quality of your life is inseparable from the quality of your thinking. If this message gave you even a moment of clarity, don't walk this path alone. Subscribe, like this video, and share in the comments which Stoic idea resonated with you most, because mastery begins when awareness turns into action.